Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to trade stocks on the Cash App. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue, statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. If you want to trade stocks with the Cash App, first you need to register to the Cash App application, and then when you open it, if you swipe to the right, here down you will see this little icon, this arrow icon, and if you tap on it, it will open up the stock trading section. And here you have a lot of choices. I've made a few videos explaining how the most traded section, how the biggest movers work. They also have a little my first stock titled stock trading book, where they explain all about the stock market and how you should start trading. I made a video about this as well, so you can check out that. But now I will show you how to buy actually stocks. So you can either search here by a specific name. For example, if I want to buy Apple, I will find Apple here, just tap on it. I can check the Apple statistics. As you can see, in the last day it was falling 1.5%. In the last week 2%, the last month it's up 0.7%, last year is 37%. So you can check all the statistics here, the key stats, besides the stock price, because these statistics are all regarding the stock price. But here you can see a little bit more. The share price is 146 right now. The market capital of Apple is 2.42 trillion, which is a huge number. They are the biggest company regarding the market capital, so that's incredible. Revenue in the last 12 months, in the last year, is 347 billion. Revenue growth is 27% in the last year. Gross profit, net profit, here you can find all the specific details. Today's volume, how many trades were made with the Apple stocks, it's 32 million, which is wow. Average daily volume is 76 million. So 76 million stocks are traded daily. Wow. PA ratio is 27. Price sale ratio is 6.98. Operating margin is 29%. And dividend yield, which is very interesting, they pay you dividends. If you hold a lot of stocks, you will receive 0.58% dividend. So in the Cash App, it's very useful because you can check everything. If you don't understand the data, you just tap on this and you can read all the details regarding that data. I think it's very useful if you are new to stock trading. This can be great. Here are financial data, annually and quarterly. You can check everything. Revenue and profit, net profit. Here are the earning table, analyst options, about everything. It's very deep and a lot of information. So if you want to buy a stock, when you read everything and you decided that you need this stock, you just tap on the buy, and here you can set the amount of money that you want to invest. And yeah, that's the standard one-time option. And there are custom purchase orders and auto invest. So you can set up a daily, weekly or bi-weekly purchase. So Cash App will automatically purchase stocks for you, which is very interesting. Yeah, so if you are looking for other stocks, you can, as I told you, you can search for any company that is traded on the stock market here. But if you did not decide which company do you want to buy, you just want to go for shopping for stocks, you can search by category here. So for example, if I want to buy banking or finance stocks, because I think the banking market is going up, I just open this page, and here I can see Bank of America, Visa, Affirm, PayPal, MasterCard. Here are all the banking and finance companies so you can check out these stocks as well. Or there is actually another option which can help you go even more specific with your shopping list. If I go to technology, here I will see all the technology companies. These are mainly the most traded ones because the technology market is the fastest, and the stocks here is the biggest profit potential if you are trading stocks. But if you want to specify my search, I can also go to the subcategories, and here I can see that there are hardware, software, mobile, internet, and social media companies. For example, I want to look for social media stocks, and if I open them, I will see Facebook is the top one, Snapchat, Twitter, Bumble, Weibo, Interactive Corp, Momo, and Yalla Group. These are all the social media stock options. You may wonder why there are a few more that are not listed here. TikTok is not here because TikTok is not a publicly traded company. Instagram is not here because Instagram is owned by Facebook. So, yeah, these companies own all the major social media platforms. You can go to mobile. Let's see what mobile stocks are available. Apple, Affirm, AT&T, everything. So that's it pretty much. How can you find and buy the stocks that you want using the Cash App? Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.